Hello everyone, welcome to Tai Chi class. Let's get flowing. Take a deep breath in and out. Arms rise to the side and float back down. Breathe in and out. On this time, arms rise up, bend at the elbows, gather in, and press down. And sink the chi. Breathing in and out. And now take one foot and step out about shoulder width. And the arms come out in front of us and float back down to open the door. Breathing in and out. And around the arms out in front of us, and we're given a big hug. And this hand floats to the chest, and this hand follows underneath, and we're embracing the moon. Toss that moon, switch the hands, and catch it again. Breathing in and out. Give that big hug again. And sink the chi. And a big hug. And the palms face each other, and this hand drifts down and out and turn at the waist. Bend the elbow and push out in front. And this is repulsing the monkey. Breathing in and out. And now this hand will follow across the chest, take a little step in and sink. Just a little dip, not too far. And this hand presses down. This hand folds in. And both hands together. And now this time, we're going to take a little step out. And this hand brushes down by the knee, and this hand pushes out for brush knee and push. This hand drops, this hand rises, the circle around, back to the beginning, brush knee and push. Breathing in and out. And now lean back on that back leg and turn across the room. And bring it in as a little step and sink. This hand drops, or pushes down. This hand folds in. Both hands together. And now, take that little step out, push down by the knee, and push. This hand drops, this hand rises, circle around, we're back to the beginning, brush knee and push. Breathing in, breathing out. And lean back on that back leg. Circle around across the room. Bring it in with a little step. And both hands together. Now take that step out. Brush knee and push. Breathing out. Now, this hand drops and shift the hips. This heel goes back. These toes point this way and reach. And bring it back. Reach, maybe just a little bit further. And bring it back. and reach down. Your hand could be here, it could be here, it could be on your foot, or you could go all the way down to the ground. This is triangle pose. Just feel that stretch, and take your hand and make a circle. Make a circle back up to the top, and again. And now let's make a circle going the other way. Back up to the top. And again. And don't forget, we're still breathing. And bend that front knee. And reach it up. And bring it up. And brush knee and push. And lean back on that back leg. Bring it across the room and back in with a step. And both hands together. And take that step out, brush knee and push. Breathing in. Breathing out. Now this hand drops, but this hand stays. Shift the hips, take that heel back, point these toes this way, and reach. And bring it back. Reach just a little bit further, and bring it back. And reach, and bring it down, anywhere you'd like. And remember to keep breathing. And let's make a circle with our arms. And the other direction. Bend that front knee and up, and brush knee and push. Breathing in, breathing out. And lean back with that leg and turn just the center. Sink the chin. And now bring it up to the heart space and then over that moon. Up to the heart space and drop it. Up, over, press it down, and make a diamond shape with your fingers, and press it out. This is shoulder. And drop, up and over. palms in, 2 palms together, and a wiggle back. Thank you so much for joining me. If you liked this, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe and ring that bell icon so you don't miss the next class. See you next time!